Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have a WordPress website and you want to reset it for some reason, in this video I am going to show you how you can reset your WordPress website using WP Reset. Before doing the reset, it is necessary to know that what will be removed and what's not. All your content, users except the one who is performing the reset, database tables, media library entries, customization and widgets and transients will be removed. Your core WordPress files, plugins and themes are not deleted from your server, but they are simply deactivated. Media files are removed from media library, but they remain in WP content upload folders. Website settings like site title, site address and languages are not modified. And I also told you that the user who is performing the reset will be recreated with the same username and password. As now you know that what will be removed and what's not. If you have any important thing on your website, then you can create a backup of your website and store it on your local storage. If not, then you can perform the reset. If you want to learn that how to create a backup of your website, then I have another video on my channel. You can visit my channel, or I can also leave the link to this video in the description below. So now let's go to dashboard and install the plugin and perform the reset. To reset the website, let's go to dashboard, then go to plugins, add new, search for WP Reset. Here you can see this plugin WP Reset. I already installed and activated. You can install and activate, then go to tools, and here you can see a new option that says WP Reset. Click on it, and here you will land on WP Reset plugin dashboard. This is the reset tab. Before doing the reset, you can create a snapshot if you want to revert back to your website. Click on create snapshot and then name it. Your snapshot will be created. Then go to reset and then scroll down below. And here inside reset, you have to type reset and then click on reset. Before doing that, you can check one of this option that works for you. I leave it, reactivate WP Reset plugin, and then click on reset site, then again reset WordPress. Here you can see the website has been resetted. Let's go to visit the site. And it says the theme directory does not exist. This is because our theme has not been activated. Then go back and then activate the default theme or any other theme. Then come here and refresh. And here you can see your website has been resetted successfully, and you can see you have an email. If you want to revert back your snapshot, go to WP Reset again. Go to snapshots. Here you can see I have two snapshots. One is 56 minutes ago that I was testing, and this is the one I created now. Restore, then click on restore snapshot. Okay, and then let's refresh. And here you can see our snapshot has been restored successfully. In this video, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this, so that you have a notification whenever I post a new video. I see you in the next video.